Welcoming the next, well, this man needs no introduction, ladies and gentlemen. A legend who looks fitter than most in our generation, even today. Well, he has added new definition to fitness, inspiring all of us not only to eat right, but to imbibe a healthy and positive lifestyle change. Let me tell you, we are truly honored to have him here on this great occasion. And trust me, इनके इंट्रोडक्शन में जब मैं बोलने जाता हूँ मेरे पास वर्ड्स खत्म हो जाते हैं और इन्हीं का डायलॉग मुझे याद आता है बिकॉज वो डायलॉग जो है वो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है. जहां हम खड़े होते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वन एंड ओनली मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन.
हम बैठ नहीं सकते तो हम खड़े होके ही बजा. नहीं नहीं अनिल जी प्लीज.
एक्चुअली सर सब कंफ्यूज हो गए, कोई सेंटर लेना ही नहीं चाह रहा. सबने कुर्सी खाली छोड़ दी. आई ओके फाइनली.
I don't miss this opportunity. With Amit ji over here and I'm in the
एक्चुअली
center.
आई थिंक नहीं सर बिल्कुल सही जगह बैठे हैं बिकॉज सर
No.
जहां बैठते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है. ये बात.
फिर भी मैं सेंटर में हूँ.
ऑलराइट सर.
You know, when we were ready to release the Great Indian Diet, I couldn't think of a greater personality to do it justice than Amit ji. And he's had a great influence in my life, not just professionally, but also personally. He just adds that touch of magic. I wait for him to call me every birthday, and he unfailingly remembers. And I have started to believe that every time he calls me, he kind of gives me some luck. So this day would have been incomplete without his support. And he very kindly said yes. And my heart fills with gratitude. I don't know how to thank you. So thank you so much, Amit ji, for being here. I don't know what to ask you. I just think you've been a great source of inspiration for generations and generations. And like Anil ji very rightly said, we all look up to you, and we just continue to learn. And through all your trials and tribulations of, your health issues or whatever, you've always, come out stronger and raring to go. How do you do it? Because your life is, it's so erratic, the timings are so erratic, and you are still so busy. Your calendar is chock-a-block with appointments, and I know that for a fact because I've been in touch with Rosie. And I don't know how you do it, because at my age, I am tired sometimes. But I know you are somebody who really lives by the Great Indian Diet. You love your Indian food, you love your dal, bindi, chawal, because I've seen you on those shows. So even when he's abroad, he loves Indian food. And he too, like all of us, doesn't believe in diets. So I want to hear it from you. What do you do? What is your mantra? Because we all want to know, and you have to share it with us now. We want to know what the secret is.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. One of the greatest secrets of being fit is to be repeatedly invited to launch books on diet. And I'd really like to thank the publishers and Penguin for having me here yet again. But one of the things that keeps you really very grounded is all these lovely and embarrassing compliments that keep coming your way. And I'm really thankful to all of you for saying such wonderful words. But I'm really the wrong person to be launching a book on diet because my eating habits are very dissimilar to what any of you are following. I just eat whatever comes to me. I don't know what it is. I think when Anil and me were just having a little chat backstage, he said, it's probably due to our parents, and I think genes have a lot to do with that. So I guess some people are born with good genes, and we need to be fortunate that we have had parents that have been able to give us their genes. But yes, I'm a bad eater, and I'm sure that when you will call home, you will find that the answer is the same. I don't follow any routine. Yes, I actually started going to the gym just about 5 or 6 years back. I never used to do any kind of exercises. Most of the time when I was working in my earlier films, I never really thought about it, or I wasn't advised about it, or I just perhaps didn't have the time. But having seen some of my visuals in some of my films about 5 or 6 years ago, I realized that I needed to be in shape and started going to the gym on some kind of a regular basis. But food has never been following any routine. I hope that I can pick up some of the elements from your book and practice them, because I'm sure that they'll be greatly helpful to me.